Let's quickly look at the materials you have with you. I want to quickly go through it with you. Now, Law and Ethics of Banking is coded BFN 314. All I want to give to you here is for you to have the course objectives. Number one, you will have to pay attention in order to understand the legal framework. This is to familiarize you with the legal framework governing banking operations in Nigeria. Number two, we want to equip you as students with the knowledge and skills to apply ethical principles in banking practices. That's what we call apply ethical principles. Then the third one is to develop critical thinking, which will encourage critical thinking and problem-solving skills in the application of banking law and ethics. Now the course outline. Part 1 is on banking law. We'll look at introduction to banking law, the definition, the scope, and importance of banking law. 2, we are going to consider sources of banking law, common law, statute law, and regulatory frameworks. 3, banking regulations. Overview of banking regulations in Nigeria, including the Banks and Other Financial Institutions Act. That is what we call BOFIA. Then number 4, contract law. This is going to include application of contract law in banking, including contract formation, performance, and discharge. Number 5 is negotiable instrument. We will consider the overview of negotiable instruments such as checks, bill of exchange, promissory note. Now the part 2 is banking ethics. Here we will look at introduction to ethics, the definition, the importance, and the principles of ethics in banking. The code of ethics will also be discussed according to the Charter of Bankers of Nigeria Code of Ethics. Then we'll look at professionalism, importance of professionalism in banking, including confidentiality, integrity, and objectivity. Number 4, we'll consider conflict of interest. This will help us to understand identification and management of conflict of interest in banking. Then the 5th one is risk management. Overview of risk management principles and practices in banking. Let's look at the assessment. Number 1, you'll be given an assignment, which is going to be a written assignment to assess students' ability to apply banking law and ethics principles to practical scenarios. That will take 15%. Then case study test. A case study to assess students' ability to analyze and apply banking law and ethics principles to real-life scenarios. That will also take 15%. And the last one is examination. There shall be a written examination to assess students' knowledge and understanding of banking law and ethics. That is going to take 70% marks. Thank you very much. You are welcome to higher diploma stage of banking and finance. Once again, my name is John Adeolu Odeyale. I am going to be your course lecturer throughout the journey of this coursework. You are welcome.